Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty, and you are at day 12 of my 31 days of Halloween. For today's makeup, I'm doing none other than Jigsaw. And I know my past couple of videos I feel like have been kind of simpler makeup, but I seriously think this one is going to be the simplest. I haven't done it yet, but the layout and game plan I have going into this makeup, it's really simple. I feel like I always look crazy like before I do the makeup because I always have the hair and accessories on and it just kind of looks funny. I am just wearing a black shirt, a red bow tie, and I sprayed my hair black. Well, like half of it. I have like half of it up, but that's all I did. And yeah, I think this outfit and this makeup is super simple, and let's get on to it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow all of my social media down below, and let's get on to this Jigsaw makeup look. Okay guys, this is the final Jigsaw makeup look. I actually really like how it came out. And it's one of those makeup looks where you can kind of be sloppy and messy and it not be perfect and it still come out like probably better than if it was perfect. I had on black contacts and it made the look so cool, but they were freaking me out and they started irritating my eyes, so I took them out. So if you are comfortable with wearing contacts, I definitely would add them to this look if you decide to do it, because it just makes it like 20 times better. I hope you enjoyed this video because it was a lot of fun. And my hair and skin these past few weeks hate me because like it's so dry from this color spray I keep putting it in. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below and follow all of my social media, and I will see you guys tomorrow for my next one. Bye guys.